as you can see, there is a light on the squares that this piece is on top of. And right now what it's doing is it's scanning for the colors to figure out the algorithms for what it will do, which is solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm sure some of you are wondering what this is for. This tells it that the machine that the Rubik's Cube is there, and the Mohawk just looks cool. Okay, and right now it's solving the Rubik's Cube once it has been calculated. If you saw that pause. Not sure if you noticed, but the Rubik's Cube is a little bit loose in there. But the algorithms actually calculate for it moving in the box when it turns it so that it doesn't get caught. Almost done, as you can probably see. And there you have it. The Rubik's Cube has been solved in
1 minute, 26 seconds. Can you beat that? I think not.